Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Just wanted to give you a quick tip and show you how to clean brake rotors. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. When you're doing a brake job on a vehicle and you have brand new rotors, you want to take them out of the box. I have some in the box right behind me. And you want to clean them off because they typically ship with like a slate skim coat of like a mineral oil on them so that they don't get rusty when they're sitting on the shelf of the store. You want to clean this off so that before you put them on the vehicle, so you have a nice clean surface for the brake pads to press against. You can also do this with the brake rotors that are on the car. You know, if you're working and you're doing a brake job and you know your gloves have some oil on them and you've touched the brake rotor and you got a little oil on it, using brake cleaner will get the oil or whatever residue is on the brake rotor off for you. So let's get these out of the box. I'm going to spray them down, and it's pretty easy to do. I'll show you how to do it. So I have a brake rotor right here, and you can get some brake cleaner at any auto parts store. What I'll do is I'll put a link to it in our channel. So if you live like in the middle of nowhere and there's nowhere to easily get it, buy it through our Amazon store. If you do that too, it'll help out the channel a little bit. So you have some AutoZone brake cleaner right there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray one side of the brake rotors down. Then get a cloth that's clean. Wipe the surface of that all down nice, so you're going to get that residue off. Flip these over, and you want to do the other side as well. You always want to do both sides. So now your brake rotor is nice and clean. Try to keep your paws off the surface of it when you're bringing it over to the vehicle because you don't want to get anything on them now that you've cleaned them. Always use some nice gloves that are oil-free, like I have done here. So it's pretty easy to do. Just wanted to give you guys a quick tip, and make sure you do this when you're doing a brake job. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys.